If you're experiencing account sync issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or issues. If there are problems with Xbox Live, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug it from the power source for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help refresh the system and resolve minor glitches. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, press and hold the power button on the console until it turns off. Then unplug the power cord and wait for 10 seconds before plugging it back in. This process can help eliminate temporary files that may be causing sync issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can test your network settings by going to Settings, General Network Settings, Test Network Connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Re-sign into your account. Go to Settings, Account, Remove Accounts and remove your profile. After that, restart your console and re-add your account by signing in again. This can help refresh your account settings and resolve sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address and fix account sync issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.